Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to check recent searches on Snapchat, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application, and from here you're going to tap on the search icon that is here at the top, and from there, as you can see, these are the people that I have searched for. I can decide to clear all by tapping on this clear all and tapping on clear. From there, in the case that I wanted to recover all my search, all I have to do is to tap on cancel, and then I'm going to tap on my profile. I'm going to tap on the gear icon and scroll down until I see my data, which is usually located here at the bottom. As I tap on my data, I'm going to download my information and I'm going to tap on next. So I'm going to choose my date, and from there, if I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to tap on done, and they're going to send me a notification to my email address, and from there I'm going to download the file, zip it, and then I'm going to see all my recent searches. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.